Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our quick guide on fixing those frustratingly slow download and upload speeds on Google Drive. In 2025, with all the latest updates, this issue is more common than ever, but don't worry, I'm here to help you resolve it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First off, the most basic culprit is often your internet connection. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data speed using a reliable online tool. If it's below 10 megabits per second, that's likely the problem. Switch to a wired connection or a faster network to see immediate improvements. Next, clear out any browser clutter. Over time, cookies and cache can bog down Google Drive. Head to your browser settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option, and select Cookies and Cached Images. Restart your browser afterward and try uploading or downloading again. Another handy trick is to use incognito or private mode. This bypasses extensions and stored data that might be interfering. Open a new incognito window, log into Google Drive, and test your speeds. It's often a game changer. Don't forget to update your software. In 2025, make sure your Google Drive app or web browser is up to date. Go to your App Store or browser's update section and install the latest version, as Google frequently rolls out speed optimizations. If that doesn't work, optimize your files. Large files can slow things down, so compress them using tools like Zip or check for any corrupted files. Also, try accessing Google Drive from a different device to rule out hardware issues. Lastly, if you're still facing problems, reach out to Google's support or forums for personalized advice. There you go. Follow these steps, and you'll be zipping through your files in no time. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and see you in the next video.